Hi everybody, welcome to today's math practice with Mrs. Wolf. Today we're going to be working on how to add a one-digit number to a two-digit number. Before we begin our practice, it might be helpful if you have some math tools. Here are 10 blocks and 1 blocks. These are on the calendar. You can cut and color them out. You can use things like Cheerios and toothpicks. These are actually barbecue skewers. Or you can even use things like Legos for your ones and draw the tens with a pen. Our very first problem today is 34 plus 5. We're really used to seeing our math problems go from left to right. But when we're adding tens and ones, it's much more helpful if we can write them when they go top to bottom. I'm going to show you how to set it up so it's much easier for you to see. The first thing I'm going to do is to label a tens spot and a one spot. I'm going to draw a line right down the middle. So the tens have their own home and their ones have their own home. Don't forget about the equal sign, which is just a straight line across. What I'm going to do is I'm going to look at the first number, 34. 34 has 3 tens and 4 ones. Next, I'm going to put the 5 in the ones. 5 is a one-digit number, so we don't have to put anything in the tens. The last thing I'm going to do is make sure I put a plus sign. I put it way over to the left, so that way it's not in the way of the tens. All right, so what am I going to do next? We're really used to writing and going from the left side to the right side. But when we add, we actually have to start with the ones. That's something new. I'm going to take 4 Cheerios because there are 4 ones. Okay, we're only working in the ones, so I'm going to continue. We have 4 ones and we're adding 5 ones. So I'm going to add 5 more. All right, it's just like a regular addition problem. I'm going to add 4 plus 5 ones. Now it's time to just add the ones. 4 ones plus 5 ones is 9. You can always count on. We know we have 4 here and we can count on. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. We're going to record the answer. Now, boys and girls, it's time to add the tens. So we have 3 tens. This is 10, 20, 30. Notice these are groups of 10. Each stick has 10 Cheerios. Underneath, there's nothing. Nothing means 0, so we don't have to worry about adding any more tens. We have 3 tens, and we're just going to record that underneath. Our sum is 39. So 34 plus 5 equals 39. Let's try another one. All right, boys and girls, here is our next problem that we must solve. What's the first thing we're going to do? That's right, we're going to label our tens and ones. I like to take the shortcut and just label with a T for tens and an O for 1. We're going to make sure we have our house and split it right down in the middle. And we're ready to write our math problem so it goes vertically or up and down. So we're going to look at 46. 46 is 4 tens and 6 ones. So we're going to put the 6 in the ones and the 4 in the tens place. Now it says to add 3. 3 is a single digit number, so it's only ones, and that's also going to go in the ones house. Plus, don't forget your equal sign. All right, get your math tools ready. I'm going to use the base 10 blocks this time. So we're going to add 6. And 3. So we're going to add 6 and 3. Remember, we always start in the ones place. So when you add 6 ones plus 3 ones, how many ones do you have all together? You can count all of them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Or take the shortcut and count on. We know this is 6, so when we count on, we would start 7, 8, 9. Don't forget to record your answer. So we have 9 ones. Now we go over to the tens. Sorry, boys and girls. Now we go over to the tens place. We have 4 tens. Remember, 3 is a single digit number or a one digit number, so it doesn't have any tens. So we still have 4 tens. Record your answer. 46 plus 3 equals 49. Great job following along. All right, get ready for problem number 3. All right, boys and girls, this is our last problem we're going to work on together. We are going to solve 23 plus 4. What's the first thing we're going to do? That's right. We're going to make a place for the tens and the ones. T for tens, O for ones. All righty. So we're going to take 23. We're going to take 23 and we're going to think about how many tens and how many ones and place it in our place value chart. So 23 is 2 tens and how many ones? 3 ones. Now we're going to add 4. Where's the 4 going to go? Are we talking about 4 tens or are we talking about 4 ones? If you said 4 ones, give yourself a pat on the back. Don't forget that plus sign and the equal sign. All right, here we go. If you know the math fact, 3 plus 4, you can write the ones here. If you want to still use the base 10 blocks or the Cheerios, go ahead and do that. You can always pause the video if you need a little more time. So right now we have 3 ones plus 4 more ones. So right now we have 3 ones plus 4 ones. And when you add them together, you get, let's count. Here's 3, let's count on. 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 ones. All right, let's look at the tens place. How many tens are we going to add? You're right, 2 tens. 4 is a one-digit number, so it doesn't have any tens. So when you count all the tens, we're left with 2. So we're going to record our answer. And now we know the answer. We know that 23 plus 4 equals 27. Boys and girls, thank you so much for following along. Okay, boys and girls, you now have 3 more problems to solve in your math journal. Thank you so much for your hard work, and we'll see you tomorrow. Bye.